Alright, more video. March 19th, 2010. Standing on top of Mike Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge overlooking Hoover Dam. Sort of on the Arizona-Nevada border right now. I'm about halfway across the bridge. Looking at the Hoover Dam. In the background is Lake Mead, and then down below we have the Colorado River, which it discharges out of the dam to produce hydroelectric electricity. And as you can tell, we're quite a ways up here. This bridge was recently opened up, November 2010, and we have a pedestrian bridge here and we got Highway 93 that crosses over the Colorado River, Hoover Dam area. Quite an engineering achievement. Not only the Hoover Dam, which was built in 1935 during the Depression era to produce electricity, but then most recently the bridge that I'm standing on eliminated the need to cross over the Hoover Dam. So it's definitely been a tremendous improvement for traffic down here. Over this way you've got the visitor center and all the little itty bitty teeny cars down there. Feel like I'm on top of the world. And then look way down below. I don't know how many hundreds of feet we're up above everything right now, but we're certainly above the Hoover Dam in the distance. So hopefully y'all enjoy. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.